What is up, you guys? It is Ron here once again. Thank you for stopping by. First of all, I want to give a big thank you to my audience. I really love you guys. I really appreciate the love that you guys show me on each and every one of these videos. You've been following me since the first stimulus check, many of you. I also want to thank you guys so much for always liking my videos, even liking this one, the second stimulus check, the third stimulus check, and if we're lucky, we'll even see a fourth stimulus check. Now, I've been reading the comments and many of you guys have been asking for more ways to generate money working from home. You know, we've been covering the Great Resignation. There's a huge demand for additional side hustles because why? Well, inflation has been crazy. Gas prices have been going higher, food shortages, food prices have been going higher and higher. And, you know, I want to continue to cover any additional fourth stimulus check, fifth stimulus check coverage information for you guys. I will continue to deliver the daily news updates for you guys, the stock market updates, but I wanted to make sure that I met the needs of the community. Many of you guys have left me so many comments thanking me for the insightful information. Make sure if you haven't seen this one, because a lot of you guys have been asking me, hey, what is everyone talking about this M1 finance and how you can invest with only $1? I know. I showed you guys on a previous video. Definitely check it out. I invested in the stock market, generating passive income with as little as $1, and I did it on camera. Also, I had to address this in this video. Several people have been asking me, hey, how did you manage to make $3,000 in your kitchen? Yeah, I was sitting here a couple videos back. You got to check my playlist down below. It is the playlist that is for, I think it says Ron Yates Side Hustles, Passive Income. There's a video in there where I'm literally sitting at my kitchen table like I'm talking to you guys right now. I'm in the kitchen. And I showed you guys exactly how to make passive income or generate a side hustle by literally listing products on Amazon that you don't even touch. Even if you don't have any money, it works. So check that video out. Several of you are Social Security recipients. You're on a fixed income. Maybe you're receiving SSI, perhaps SSDI. Perhaps you're living off of your 401k for your primary source of income. The issue here is this. Many people are suffering because inflation is going through the roof. So it's like, how do I generate additional income? How do I prepare myself with rising rent prices? Rent is going through the roof. So what I've done for you guys is I've created a playlist so that you can learn specifically how to make more money at home, even if you're on Social Security. Anyone can do this. Even if you have a full-time job, you can make additional income. Make sure you watch the playlist down below. We're going to be doing some contests and giveaways, and only those who have watched the videos can participate. Click the link down below.